Hey, good morning YouTube. This is Jimmy with To The Top Crane. What's going on, everybody? We are in the old Tadano 180 again. Just got it back in last night about 6:30 or 7. And now it is a little after 6 in the morning the following day. We're heading to another job. So today we're going to pull some tanks out of the ground. I guess there's some more underground. I don't know if they were fuel storage or big propane tanks. I don't have a clue what they are. I guess I'll know when I get there. Hey there, YouTube. We are set up on this tank job. We'll pull these 3 tanks out of the ground. 2 crane pick. Both of us have to stay under 75%. Yeah, we're gonna yank these out of the ground and set them on a truck, I guess. Hopefully you can see that. I guess they decided they wanted to just put the building right on top of it. But, oh well, they're going to drop a skid loader down the hole and dig some dirt out. Okay, I stuck you guys to my front windshield. We'll see how that works out. And now they're using an excavator. They're gonna, I guess, flatten some ground out in there. I don't know what they're doing. Ultimately, we got to get the dirt out from underneath that tank so we can get that tank out from underneath the building. Okay, so they got to get that dirt out from around that tank and that sand. So they set a little track skid loader down in there. Within 5 minutes of putting it in the hole, they got it stuck. So now they're going to build a ramp and run that hoe off in that hole. See if they can get that sand moved away from that tank. We'll see how it goes. I'm wondering if at some point I'm going to be moving this crane over there and pulling that hoe out of the hole. I offered to pick it up and set it down in there for them, and they didn't want to pick their excavator up, but I think picking it up and setting it in there would be less trouble. All I do is pull levers. Doing the old backwards bucking on the excavator trick. That sucks. I hate operating a hoe like that. It takes me 20 minutes just to get used to it. This guy's obviously done it a time or two. I got my end loose. We'll see what he can do on his end. He's got a little 65-ton picker. He does have 10 parts of line in it though, so that thing is terribly slow. So we're gonna see if that little picker can get that weasel up out of there. I've got my end set down. That way it doesn't put as much weight on him. Yeah, I don't know, I just don't see it. We're still on this tank job. We got the old tanks taken out Friday. Today's Monday. New tanks are here. We're gonna set them down in these, or down this hole. Guess we're gonna try to tuck one back up underneath that building a little bit, and then get the other two in next to it. So yeah, it ought to, I don't know, probably be a boring day. Hopefully it's uneventful. But anyway, you guys are along for the ride. I would say whether you like it or not, but I guess it's up to you guys to decide whether or not you stick around and watch the video. But if you are watching and you're not subscribed, hit that button down. Let's see, I don't know which side of the screen it's going to be on. I think it's going to be over there, that subscribe button. So smash that subscribe button. And also, since YouTube, in their infinite wisdom, has put the bell icon in there for people that want to actually get notifications. So you got to subscribe and hit that bell. I don't get that. If a person subscribes to a channel, I would assume they want to get notifications from it. So why would they need the bell? Huh. I guess that's so people can subscribe but not really subscribe. Doesn't make sense to me. Oh well. Alright, we got tank number one off the truck. Got some plans. We're going to set it down here close to the ground. We're going to get it over the hole. See if we can set it in place. tube. Looks like they moved some more dirt down in there so we can get this tank swung over. I wanted to try to get it underneath the edge of that building where that other one was. There was still a little too much dirt in the way. Now we're going to fly this little skid loader back out. It's going to get a hold of his end of the tank. We're going to get it swung over there, and then we've got 2 more tanks to set in. So it's going to turn into a full day, it's looking like. I'm picking this next one up by myself. It's a little smaller tank, I think. So it should only weigh 40,000. See, it's all going to be dependent on how far in the hole you need it.